Hi, welcome to all in our MOOC course on matrices. Now we are going to see what is the definition of matrix and the basic properties of the matrix. Matrices is a plural form of matrix. Okay. Now we are going to see the definition of matrix. Matrix is a set or group of numbers or function arranged in a square or rectangular array enclosed by two brackets. So this is general example of matrix in which we can see here there are number of elements in that matrix, okay, and it is enclosed by two brackets. This M stands for the rows of the matrix and N is a column of the matrix. So now we are going to see some examples of the matrix. So this is first example in which we can see that the numbers are arranged in the matrix in the rectangular form, okay, and it is enclosed by two brackets. These numbers is a rational or irrational. In second example, the numbers can be a complex number. In third example, we can see that the numbers or the elements can be function. So as we said in definition, matrix is a set of group of numbers or functions. Means the element of the matrix, it can be any number or it can be any function arranged in a square or rectangular array. In this example, you can see here this is a rectangular array, and this example you can see here there is a square array. So it is depend upon the how many rows and columns in your matrices. If number and columns are same, here you can see there are two rows and two columns, so that's why it is a rectangular array, sorry, a square array. And here you can see the number of rows and columns are different. Here rows are 3 and columns are 2. So it looks as a rectangular array. So that is the definition of matrix and some example of matrix. Now we are going to see some basic part of the matrix, which is element of the matrix. The individual numbers or a function of the matrix is called as the element of the matrix. Okay, in this example we can call 5 is the element of the matrix. Root 2 is also element of the matrix. 1, minus 12, 5, 1, all these are individual are the element of the matrix. Okay, so total in this B matrix there are total 6 elements. Okay, and student, there are lot of elements in the matrix. Okay, we can see here, but we have to specify some element. Okay, so that's why we given the name to that number or element that we will see in our next part. Now we are going to see what is the rows and what is the column of the matrix. Students, the horizontal elements are called as the rows of the matrix and the vertical elements are called as a column of the matrix. Students, suppose I will give you an example. The benches arranged in a horizontal line that we call as the rows, okay, and the benches arranged in a vertical line in the class that we call as a column. So this is one example of the rows and columns. Okay, so student, see here for this matrix is how many rows? This is the first row, this is second row, and this is third row. So means this matrix having 3 rows. Now we are going to see how many columns. So this is the first column, this is second column, and this is third column. So this matrix having 3 columns and 3 rows. Okay, so that's why we call this matrix is a 3 by 3. Oh, okay, we call it is 3 by 3 or 3 cos 3. Mainly we prefer 3 by 3. Okay, so student, first of all we write down the rows and then we write down the columns. Okay, when we said the matrix having 3 matrix is a 3 by 3, that means that matrix having 3 rows and 3 columns. Okay, Now in the second example, students, we can see here there are two rows, two horizontal lines, and four vertical lines, means elements are arranged in a four vertical lines. Okay, so that means this matrix is a 2 by 4, means it's having two rows and four columns. In last example, you can see there are only one rows and two columns, so it's called as a 1 by 2, means it's having one rows and two columns. So every matrix is specified by the rows and columns. Okay, from this 3 by 3, 3 by 4, we can calculate the element of the matrix. I will show you. So when this matrix is a 3 by 3, means it's having 3 rows and 3 columns, that means it's having 9 elements. When we multiply 3 by 3, we will get 9. Okay, and when you count the elements, you will get the same answer: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that means this element or this matrix having 9 elements. This matrix is a 2 by 4, correct? That means it's having 8 elements. When this matrix is 1 by 2, that means it's having 2 elements. Okay, so the rows and column number describes the dimension or size of the matrix.